Hey, it's Donald. So, this was not planned. A couple of weeks ago, I was in Ho Chi Minh. Packing, you know how it is? Last minute, trying to fit everything in one bag. And outside it's loud, motorcycles, people. I grabbed coffee, came back, hurriedly packed my bags, got on the flight. Halfway through, I remembered I left camera and content creation requirements. No tripod, no lights, nothing. I land in Manila, get to this small hostel, and it's not quiet. Wi-Fi is, not great some days. And I'm just sitting there thinking, okay, maybe I just pause the channel for now. But that didn't feel right, because this whole thing, Deviceterra, it's about using AI to actually make things work in real life, not when everything is perfect. So I tried something. I said, okay, no gear, no setup, can I still post? And yeah, I've been posting every week from here. No camera, and honestly, it's working better than before. So, let me show you what I'm doing. I've been in Ho Chi Minh for a while now. Late nights, working. Sometimes ideas just hit around 1 a.m. You're just sitting there with coffee. That's usually where my videos come from. This trip to the Philippines was supposed to be quick, but yeah, things shifted. And that moment with the camera, it kind of forced me to decide. Either wait until everything is perfect again, or just, figure it out. So I stopped trying to make it clean. I just used what I had, my laptop, my phone, and a few tools I already knew. That 1 a.m. way of writing, where it sounds like you're just thinking out loud. HeyGen, to kind of, stand in for me on camera. Gemini, for titles and all that. CapCut on my phone, nothing fancy, but it works. And I've been consistent since I got here. That's the part that surprised me the most. Alright, I'll walk you through it. This is literally what I do now. Every video, nothing hidden, no extra steps. Step 1, script. I open Gemini, or sometimes ChatGPT, depends. And I drop in that 1 a.m. prompt. The one where it says, write like you're talking to a friend at 1 a.m., a bit tired, thinking out loud. Then I add the topic, something like, write a 10-minute YouTube script for a video titled something like, no camera, no studio, still posting. My AI workflow from a hotel room. Make it honest and relatable. Tell my real story, based in Ho Chi Minh City, short stay in Manila City, Philippines. Left camera behind, using HeyGen clone plus 1 a.m. prompt, Gemini and CapCut. Explain the workflow, step by step. Show why it's effective for traveling creators. End with strong CTA to try it. Speak like me. Warm, no hype, from a creator figuring things out on the road. And it gives me something that actually sounds like a person like me, not perfect. A bit messy sometimes, repeats a bit, goes off slightly. But yeah, that's what I want. Because that's how people talk. I read it once, maybe twice, change a few lines, add something from here, like the hotel, the noise, random stuff, done. Takes like 10 minutes, maybe a bit more if I'm slow. Step 2, HeyGen. This part still feels a bit strange, I'm not gonna lie. Like, a bit weird at first. I cloned myself before I left Ho Chi Minh. Just one video, talking to the camera for a few minutes. Nothing special. Now I just paste the script in, select my avatar, and it generates the video. And when I watch it, it's like, okay, yeah, that's me. The small head movements, the pauses, the blinking, it feels normal, which is kind of crazy, but yeah. I don't have to set up a camera. No retakes. No wait, let me do that again. Nothing. Step 3, titles and all that. Back to Gemini. I just say, give me a title, description, tags, based on this script. It gives me something decent. Sometimes too clean, so I tweak it, make it sound like me. Remove some, perfect words, done. Step 4, CapCut on my phone. Import the video, add captions. Sometimes I just let auto captions run. Fix a few words. Maybe add text, small transitions, nothing crazy. Sometimes a bit of B-roll if I feel like it. Sometimes I skip it. Honestly, export, upload, that's it. The whole thing, maybe an hour, hour and a half. Sometimes faster if I don't overthink it. Which, yeah, happens. From a random hotel room, I didn't expect this part. But it's actually working better, like I didn't plan that. I'm posting more consistently now, and it's making a difference. The videos feel more calm, I guess, not rushed, not forced. People comment, saying it feels real, which I think comes from this whole setup. I'm not trying to make it perfect anymore. I'm just working with what I have right now, and that seems to be enough.